Serviceberry grows in zones 2 through 9. Grows to the height of 6 to 25 feet tall. The width is 4 to 20 feet wide. Produces edible fruit. Has 5 petal clusters of white flowers that happens in early spring. Prefers full to part sun. When planted, cut half the burlap from the root ball. The hole should be 4 times the width and the depth should be equal to the pot it was in. After planting the hole, fill in with partial soil. Water, then fill in with the rest of the soil after water has been absorbed. Water again afterwards. Produces purple berries during early summer. You can form a basin for water to settle around the roots by stepping around and forming a 4-inch wall with the soil. Border forsythia, a deciduous shrub, prefers well-drained soil and full sun. Grows 8 to 10 feet tall, 10 to 12 feet wide with an upright and spreading form. Blooms March through April. Needs at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. It's also good to fertilize during the spring and summer. Use compost or organic material to amend the soil before planting. The hole should be as deep as the pot it was in. To conserve moisture, put 2 inches of mulch around the shrub. Azalea, perennial that grows to 8 feet tall, prefers light shade out of the direct sunlight and harsh winds. Needs moist soil with a pH of 5.5. A low-lying area near a building or hedgerow will protect it from winds. The acid-loving plant works well with pine needles for mulch. Do not mulch during the winter. Lilac, hardy at zones 3 through 7. Dark green leaves are heart-shaped. Full sunlight at the location where the tree is to be planted. Grows 20 to 25 feet tall, 15 to 20 feet wide. Needs well-drained soil and sun exposure 4 to 7 hours. To prevent the tree from producing seeds, prune blooms after fading. pH level of the soil needs to be in the range of 6.5 to 7.5. It can take up to 5 years for the lilac tree to be mature enough to produce blooms. Adding lime into the soil will make the soil more alkaline for sour soils. For sweet soils, too much alkaline, use ammonium sulfate or elemental sulfur. American elderberry blooms during summer. Grows in wet or dry soils at zones 3 through 9. Height when mature is at 6 to 12 feet. The width is at 6 to 10 feet. During summer, the shrub has 10-inch clusters of cream-colored flowers. In late summer, dark purple fruit appears. Prune in early spring and summer. The beech tree grows 10 to 80 feet tall and 35 to 45 feet wide. When planting, spread peat moss thoroughly in the area when planting. Hole should be twice the width of the root ball. Wet root ball before planting. Remove burlap. Use acidic, well-drained soil. The root system is shallow and wide. Cherry blossom grows well in zones 5 through 8. Do not produce fruit and has a short blooming season. The official flower of Japan is also called Sakura. Needs full sun and well-drained soil. When planting, dig the hole twice the width and the same height as the root ball. Acer prefers neutral to a slightly acidic pH. Until planting, keep moist in this container or burlap. Before planting, cut several shallow slits into burlap ball. Plant 6 weeks before the first frost. An overcast day for planting will reduce stress. The depth of the hole should make the root ball even with the ground. The hole should be 3 times the width of the root ball. Keep the burlap moist before planting. The size of the hole should be roughed up with a shovel to help the roots extend out. In the hole, water the hole for 5 minutes before planting.